Today I'm reviewing the iBUYPOWER Slate MESH gaming PC with Intel Core i7-14700F and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070. If you want to check current pricing or availability, it's linked below. I've been using this machine as my daily gaming and general-purpose desktop for a couple of weeks, real play sessions, creative tasks, background apps open, web work, and casual productivity. This isn't about theoretical numbers, it's about how it actually performs in everyday use. Let's set expectations early. This is not a compact living room machine, and it's not an ultra-quiet, boutique enthusiast build where every part is hand-picked. It's a mid-range pre-built tower aimed at people who want strong gaming performance out of the box without building their own PC. What it is built for is dependable 1440p gaming performance and solid responsiveness in everyday computing. In real-world gameplay, the combination of the i7-14700F and RTX 5070 delivers smooth, reliable performance. Competitive titles like Valorant, Fortnite, and CS2 hit high frame rates with quality settings, and more demanding AAA games, Horizon Zero Dawn, Elden Ring, or Starfield, feel stable at 1440p with balanced graphics settings. You won't get perfect maxed-out results at the highest resolutions, but frame rates remain steady and predictable for most play sessions. Thermals are sensible. The system's airflow design and cooling keep the CPU and GPU in check during longer gaming sessions. Fans do spin up under load and are audible at the desk, but the noise never feels erratic or distracting. It's present, steady, and blends into the background once you're focused on the screen. The 32GB of DDR5 5200 memory feels practical. With plenty of RAM available, switching between games, web browsers, productivity apps, and background utilities remains smooth. You won't feel pushed to upgrade memory right away. The 1TB NVMe SSD provides fast boot times and quick game loads. It feels responsive in regular workflows, launching apps, loading file folders, opening large projects, and gives you room for a solid game library before needing more storage. Build quality and layout are typical for a pre-built in this category. The interior feels clean and uncluttered enough that airflow isn't obstructed, and there's decent space for future upgrades if you decide to add storage or a different cooler. The mesh front panel serves its purpose for airflow, though dust filtration could be more thorough out of the box. Now let's talk about limitations. If you're chasing native 4K gaming at ultra settings with all the graphical bells turned on, this GPU tier won't consistently achieve that. The RTX 5070 is solid at high refresh 1080p and capable at 1440p, which matches where this system feels strongest. For a true desktop-level 4K performance, a higher GPU tier would be required. Also, as with most pre-builts, there's less manual tweaking of cooling and fan curves compared with a custom-built machine with aftermarket components. You can adjust settings after the fact, but the baseline setup is what you get. Compared with other pre-built systems at a similar price point, the Slate MESH feels balanced. The Intel CPU brings strong single-threaded performance for gaming and good multi-core responsiveness for creative or productivity tasks. There's no obvious compromise in part selection or thermal design given the class and price. So who does this make sense for? This system suits gamers who want a ready-to-go desktop that handles modern titles reliably at 1440p with smooth performance across a wide range of games. It also makes sense for users who value not having to build their own PC but still want a capable, future-proof feeling setup for everyday use in gaming. If your priority is squeezing maximum performance per dollar with custom cooling, unique parts, or the highest GPU tiers, a custom build may edge out slightly better results. But if convenience and solid out-of-the-box performance matter, this machine delivers where it counts. From daily use, it feels capable, stable, and practical, reliable in the scenarios most players encounter. Check current pricing below and evaluate it against your needs.